First, go to your Facebook profile timeline and make a post. I'll change the post's privacy to only me so no one else sees it. Next, click on the comment section and pick the sticker you want to save. I'll choose these ones and comment them. Then, right-click on the sticker and select Save Image As to download it. The file will be in WebP format, so to convert it to PNG, just search for a WebP to PNG converter. This is what I used because it's free. Just upload the WebP file. Scroll down, click Save, and you're done. Thanks so much for watching.